There was a whānau that approached us and said, "Oh, have you thought about cannabis?" At that time, everything they were looking at were native, either plants or fungi, or we're looking at kina. And so, how can we look after nature by doing more like tūturu or native species? And so, we're looking at kanuka, kina, and some native fungi. And there was some other projects that we did some R&D on, or some research anyway. And someone brought cannabis to the fore, and what they said to us was, while it's not a native plant, we're just going through where it's come from.